and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items today to share with you from GBFKE. Now one of them I think is a duplicate. I think I ordered a duplicate recently. I'm not sure if the video, I think the video has already been up of me unboxing it, but it is this big one. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'll pop the link for it for GBFKE along with these others down below, of course, so that you can have a gander and order it from either side, to be fair. But it is a gorgeous painting. I do have two others. This one is a full drill. So this is a 30 by 30 and it is absolutely beautiful. Now the outline is something that will shine through the diamonds rather than you use the diamonds to create the outline. So because it is a round, you can often see in between. So that's where you will see the outline of this one once it's finished. It's a little bit different. Let me grab my tape measure. So it's down as a 30 by 30. The actual design area is 25 by 25. So as quite often happens, 2.5 centimetres either side is for the border. It does have quite a bit of white. You do get a toolkit and then your diamonds do come in baggies. I mean, the white's not too big. It is bigger than the rest, but it's not too big. A little bit more subtle pastel-y type colours in this one. But yeah, it caught my eye because it's pretty. Number two is a special diamond painting. This one definitely has more of the stained glass look. Oh, I've got a rogue diamond. It's not even a special diamond. So this one is like a little 3 panel. So you could choose to keep them all together or you could separate them. I don't know why, it just screams a little bit of Beauty and the Beast, though it's not. But it is stained glass roses. It's a partial. Inside this outer line, which is sort of your design area, is 25 by 25. Each individual one, if we're just going diamonds to diamonds, is about 7.5 centimetres by about 24. So if it is something that you wanted to separate, the 7 by 24, you do also get a toolkit. And then diamonds wise, this one is rhinestones. Trying to find the opening for the bag. There it is. It's always harder when it ends up on a sleeve. It takes me a minute to find them, but we do have some pretty colours in here. So we have some red rhinestones, of course, lots of roses in there. We have green. We have some AB coated black. So that will give you quite a bit of a different look. We have some sort of bronzy, coppery colours. This is your big one, big gold one on the top of each. You get 4, but you need 3. And then we have these petal shapes in green, which will actually team up with some of this green on the likes of your petals. So your black AB is actually the outline. It is the outline to each of your windows is where you'll have that. But yeah, I just thought they were pretty. Well, I think all of the ones that I get are pretty. That's the reason I get them. So this one is obviously super pretty because, as I say, I think this is the second one. I'm pretty sure this is the second one I have of this. But this is a gorgeous flower design. It is a square painting. It is orientated this way. But look, just the flowers with the pearls. I just think the colours are beautiful. I think that's what's grabbed me with this one. So it has 48 different colours. It is down as a 40 by 60. So if you tilt your head to the right, you should see the full design. But let's check out the measurements. So the actual design area is 58.5 by 38.5. So you only lose a little bit on this, considering the border is a lot more. This is the part that caught my eye more, this top part. Though the bottom part, I think, adds to the whole design. With this one, you do get excuse me, a slightly posher toolkit. You get a bit more wax, you get the white boat, you get basic metal tweezers, and you get a pen with a squishy grip and a couple of multi-placers in there as well. So a little bit of an upgraded toolkit. And all of these diamonds. So we do have a lot of 939, but we have some gorgeous pinks. Look at these beautiful blues as well. Some more deeper blues, but there is hints of purples, turquoise, ooh, pretty greens as well. All in there alongside the darker colours. I actually think the canvas is quite dark for this, even though you can see the design. I do think that once those colours are on there, it will feel a lot more vibrant than what it shows here. But there's your close-up, or closer up of the image. As I say, I will pop a link down below, so feel free to click on that so you can see the image a bit bigger, because it's stunning enough to have caught my eye twice. So thank you so much to GBFKE for sending me these so that I could share them with you all. I will pop, I say, links to each of them down below so that you can go and have a look for yourselves. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.